Howdy, guys. It is Friday. I hope everyone had a good week. Today, I wanted to talk about first time home buyers. So, what is a first time home buyer? Well, up here you can see a description. Feel free to pause the video and read it. I'm not going to go ahead and read it all for you because it's quite lengthy. If you're ever in question about a first time home buyer situation, give me a call and I'd be happy to help work that out. All right, so here are some benefits of being a first time home buyer. The main one everyone knows is down payment assistance. There are a few DPAs out there that do not require you to be a first time home buyer, but most of them do. And that can be really beneficial for someone buying their first home. It gives them a little bit more money to furnish the home, maybe make some improvements, anything you might need that can be a really great asset. The next one is on conventional loans, you get less monthly mortgage insurance. You generally get cheaper. This can, depending on the loan amount, can range from 30 to $100 a month in savings. This is a really great benefit if you're a first-time home buyer. Lastly, depending on your credit score, you can put less money down and save even more because you don't have to have any extra money out of pocket. We've been seeing a lot of first time home buyers lately. I think a lot of people are scared of purchasing in this market, but I think it's generally always a good time to purchase because rent is 100% interest versus mortgage, which is much, much less. You get to still pay down your loan every month and you get to own your home and do whatever you'd like to do in it. Since working with so many first time homebuyers lately, I thought I'd list some things that I think everyone should have when working with them. Patience. It's scary to buy your first home, especially when everyone's telling them not to. They say it's a scary time to buy, don't do it, it's terrible. And we all know that's not necessarily the case for most people. So you want to have patience with them because it can be very stressful and unnerving. Next is guidance. You want to be able to help guide your clients through. I know I have to guide my clients through all sorts of things, trials, tribulations, just because it's an unusual thing to do to go through buying a home, and it's not something you do dozens and dozens and dozens of times. Lastly, I think education is the most important. I do not, as a financial professional, I do not enjoy telling people to sign and to trust me. I would never sign something without understanding what I'm signing, and I make sure all of my clients are fully aware of what is happening to make sure that they are comfortable with everything that's going on in the real estate transaction. I also wanted to touch on hometown heroes. I know everyone wants to get in on this because it's an amazing DPA. You get 5% of your loan amount. The rates are generally better. A lot of less money down. All sorts of goodies with it. As of this morning, August 4th, they have $42 million left in it. They funded $100 million on July 3rd. We're just over a month later, and we're at 42. So by this trajectory, we would be out of funds by the end of the month, and hopefully the state refunds it. But we're not sure until it happens. If you know any first-time home buyers looking to purchase their first home, please give me a call. A lot of people these days need a lot of guidance, and I'm happy to help. Even if they're not ready to purchase now, or but want to in 6 months, I can help give a game plan so that when they're ready to pull the trigger, I have them in the prime spot with their credit, income, assets, all sorts of stuff that we can work on for 6 months or so, 6 months, a year, whatever it is. We can have a game plan so that when you put in that offer, it's a strong, firm offer. We have a nice, smooth transaction. Thank you guys. I hope you have a good weekend.